Welcome home, unpacking the warmth in English greetings. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a phrase that's as heartwarming as it is common in English. Welcome home. Whether you're an English learner or just curious about language nuances, this video will help you understand not just the words, but the feelings and context behind this endearing expression. So, let's get started. Welcome home is a phrase used to greet someone who is returning to their home or a place they belong to. It's more than just a greeting. It's a way of expressing happiness and warmth at someone's return. The word, welcome, indicates that the person's arrival is pleasing, while home signifies a place of comfort, belonging, and familiarity. This phrase is most commonly used when someone returns home after being away for some time. It could be a family member coming back from work, a friend returning from a trip, or even someone moving back after a long time. The key is the emotional context. It's a way of saying that their presence was missed and that their return brings joy. In different cultures, welcome home can have slightly different connotations. In some places, it's used more formally, while in others, it's part of daily conversations. There are also variations like, welcome back, or simply, welcome, which are used in similar contexts but might lack the specific emphasis on the home aspect. For English learners, it's important to note that, welcome home, is not used for welcoming someone to your home for the first time. In that case, you would simply say, welcome, or welcome to my home. It's a phrase reserved for the act of returning, emphasizing a sense of belonging and return. Welcome home is a simple yet powerful phrase in the English language, embodying warmth, belonging, and happiness at someone's return. Whether you're greeting a loved one or understanding the cultural nuances of English, this phrase holds a special place in the language. Thanks for watching, and we hope this video has made you feel a bit more at home with English expressions.